Hello, this is Sonia Bhandari. One more time, I welcome you to Aarsun Woods. Aarsun Woods is India's #1 luxury furniture brand. And this got possible because you have blessed us with your orders from across the globe. As you know that we make handmade furniture and it's a labor intensive work. It involved a lot of workers, lot of local people and artisans who are getting work because you have trusted us. And by the help of this video, I have a request that please share this video and like this video so that we can give work to lot more people and promote our local art to international level. We have made so many beautiful designs in past years. Further in this video, you will see one our most liked design and I hope you like that. Thank you.
Namaskar, Ashish Mittal again from Aarsun. Friends, today I am showing you queen size bed, teak wood, antique gold paint, contemporary quilting design along with the carving work, and a very nice design, all hand carved, quality of Aarsun and the work of our city. This one is an actual set I'm showing you, and not one, not two, but 3 units in different fabric colors, and this one is going to Canada for a client of ours. When we talk about queen size, the queen size is 60 inches left to right and 75 inches from back to front. Mattress area, the inside area. The height of the back for this one is 63 inches, so 3 inches more than 5 feet. The front part is 32 inches, so close to 2.5 feet, and front to back the size is 80 inches, 80. So the area it would cover is 80 inches from front to back. From here to that side, this is 66 inches, so 5.5 feet outer size. So the area your bed will cover is 80 by 66 and the mattress is 60 by 75. Now let's talk about the design. A very nice design you see on the back with all the antique gold work that we have done. So far this is the most liked color in royal designs, royal colors that we are making, and with the fabric it's giving a different look to the unit altogether when you have such nice combinations. All the carving that you see clearly visible here, very fine and all handwork. We don't use any CNCs or routers, and this is the art of master artisans that are with us for years now, and we are making such masterpieces and sending across the globe. Now the design that you see on the front also complements the design of the back, same heavy work on the front with very heavy legs. Now here you see a very thick leg, and the design is beautifully done on the entire unit. When we talk about luxury cots, luxury beds, we are making very beautiful designs in different colors. If you don't like the gold work, we can provide the regular teak finish, the teak finish with the actual woodwork, and then copper, silver, white, off-white. There are several other colors available. This is as per your choice. The fabric is as per your choice. The design, if you want king size or super king size, that we can do also. In the same design, we can provide you bigger units also as per your requirement. If you want the storage area in the middle, that is also very handy. We can provide that. This one is without storage. Now, once we don't have a storage, what we provide is the design on the sides, as you see in this. Here you see the design that we have on the sides, and it gives a beautiful look to the unit. So if you're looking for more designs, you can search Aarsun on Google or YouTube and you'll get our entire collection. These many sets, these many designs that I've shown you already, I'm sure you won't find anywhere globally with any supplier in this variation that I've shown. And every other day we are making a new design as per the client's requirement, customized to your requirement. So you can contact us and we'll make what you want as per your size, the colors, the fabrics, the choice of side tables. If you want something different, that can be done. Storage, without storage, delivery in India or outside India, let us know, we'll make that for you. Prices we work out as per every client, so it's different for every client depending on the location and out of India, in India, or the colors, fabrics, all these things put together. So we come out to a price. You can contact us, we'll let you know the price for your item. For the time being, this is the unit. These are the designs. 3 beds, queen size, teak wood, antique gold with contemporary quilting, all hand carved and the quality of Aarsun. I hope you like this, and I would request a few comments of yours. Let us know how we are doing. This is Art of India and exporting globally. Thank you so much.